All right. We're on the road. This is my first motovlog, and I actually wanted to do this for a long time. I am super stoked that I finally can do this. And that is actually thanks to, better watch out for children here. There's some signs. Anyhow, it's actually thanks to Sina Bluetooth communication. They were kind enough to give me a Sina 30K. 30K, that's the model. And I've been using it ever since. Mostly so that my wife and children can reach me if there is an emergency and listen to music. I mostly ride alone, sometimes with friends. So haven't really tried the mesh communication. Okay, let's rip her up here a bit. Woo-hoo! Oh man, I love this girl. She just rips. Oh my god. I had this bike for 10 years now, but I'm no way near done with her. Oh my god. The engine just pulls beautiful. Oh man, I love it. And look at these roads. Actually, I have just swapped the front pulley from a 32 pulley to a 28. The 28 is standard in the United States, and the 30 is standard European, Australian, and so on. When I went for the 300 on this bike, 300 rear, I also swapped the front pulley, and I must admit I sometimes think that I'm in fourth gear, but I'm actually in the fifth. It revs about 500 RPM higher with a 28 pulley. Forgot to close my visor. That is done. Anyhow, today I'm actually meeting up with my good friend, and we're going to try some drone shots today. It will be a first. The weather is sweet. Not too sunny, a little bit of clouds, warm, not that warm, but perfect for riding, perfect for some photo shooting and drone flying. And my good friend is riding a, let me think, 2020 Road Glide Special CVO edition. The color is Mako Shark, a little bit of blue and a little bit of black. It's a beautiful bike, one of my dream bikes. And yep, there he is. he's not on the bike. He actually took the Mercedes.
Well, we're in the middle of nowhere, trying to get some drone shots. It's freezing cold. You can see the drone on the road there. That's DJ Mavic Pro, and it's a beautiful flat scenery and awesome day for video shooting. Super happy, I'm super stoked. My first motovlog is up. Been waiting a long time for this, and finally it's out there. And it was actually the first time that we used some drone video, and it was hard to fly, but practice makes perfect, so we're gonna use that a lot more. If you like this, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button. And until next time, take care out there and see you soon.